Hi kids! This is Teacher May, your teacher for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest videos. Before we start our new lesson, let's have a short review. Write the fraction for the shaded part of each figure. What have you observed about the fractions in set A and set B? Write the fraction for the shaded part of each figure. What have you observed about the fractions in set C and set D? Fractions in sets A and B have the same denominator. In set A, the common denominator is 5, while in set B, the common denominator is 7. Fractions in sets C and D contain different denominators. It is important to know how to determine sets of fractions with the same denominator and different denominators. Let us unlock your vocabulary. Similar fractions are fractions with similar or the same denominators. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with dissimilar or different denominators. Addition and subtraction of two proper or improper fractions that are similar. Angel, a grade 4 student, completed 2/5 of her assigned tasks on a long weekend. She continued the following day and completed 1/5 of the tasks. How much of the assigned tasks did Angel accomplish? How much of the assigned tasks were not accomplished? How the problem may be solved. Example number 1, find the sum of 2/5 and 1/5. We will use the number discs to represent the completed tasks of Angel. 2/5 is the completed assigned tasks. 1/5 is the completed assigned tasks on the following day. Let us construct the diagram or disc representing the total completed tasks by Angel. To solve the fraction, add the numerator 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then, copy the common denominator 5. So, 3/5 of the assigned task was accomplished by Angel. Rule: to add proper fractions with the same denominator or similar fractions, add the numerators and keep the common denominator. Then, to find how much of the assigned tasks were not accomplished by Angel, we will use subtraction. Example number 2, subtract 5/5 minus 3/5. The whole task can be represented by the fraction 5/5. Since 3/5 was the total accomplished tasks by Angel, we subtract 3/5 from 5/5. This can be explained by the diagram on the next slide. To develop the concept involved here, the takeaway concept of subtraction may be used through number line. Since the denominator is 5, we divide the number line into 5 parts. The black arrow line from 0 to 1 is 5/5, and the red arrow line is 3/5. When we take away 3/5 from 5/5, it is equal to 2/5. In subtracting fractions, subtract the numerator 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then copy the common denominator 5. The answer is 2/5. Take away 3/5 from 5/5. So, 2/5 of the assigned tasks were not accomplished by Angel. Rule: to subtract proper or improper fractions that are similar, subtract the numerators and use the same denominator. Now, answer the following activity. Addition and subtraction of two mixed numbers that are similar. Rosel bought 5 3/4 kilogram of grapes. He gave 1 1/4 kilogram to his cousin Nat and 2 1/4 kilogram to his grandmother. How much kilogram of grapes did he give to his cousin and grandmother? How much grapes were left to Rosel? What kind of fraction is in the problem? It is similar fractions. Example number 1. How much kilogram of grapes did he give to his cousin and grandmother? Find the sum of 1 1/4 and 2 1/4. To find the answer, add the whole number 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, add the numerator 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, then copy the common denominator. The answer is 3 2/4 or 3 1/2. So, 3 and 2/4 or 3 and 1/2 kilograms of grapes were given to her cousin and grandparent. Rule: to add mixed numbers that are similar, add the whole numbers, then add the numerators and use the common denominator. Example number 2. How much grapes were left to Roselle? Find the difference between 5 and 3/4 and 3 and 2/4. Study the number line. To find the difference, subtract first the whole number. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then subtract the numerator. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then copy the common denominator 4. The answer is 2 and 1/4. So, 2 and 1/4 kilograms of grapes were left to Roselle. Rule: to add mixed numbers that are similar, add the whole numbers, then add the numerators, and use the common denominator. Example number 3. 5 and 8/15 plus 4 and 3/15. Solution: add first the whole number, 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then add the fractions. Add the numerator 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Then copy the common denominator 15. The answer is 9 and 11/15. Example number 4. 7 and 1/8 minus 5 and 3/8. Solution: you cannot subtract 3/8 from 1/8. Regroup 1 from 7 and express it as 8/8. Then add 6 and 8/8 and 1/8. The answer is 6 and 9/8. Then subtract 5 and 3/8. Subtract first the whole number. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then subtract the numerator 9 and 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then copy the common denominator 8. The answer is 1 and 6/8 or 1 and 3/4. Now, answer the following activity.